Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Bam! Now, let me see. Duck with cherries, duck with egg nuts, Peking duck. Here we are. Duck à l'orange. Bam!
So, what are we gonna have?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yes, I know you are. I mean, what are we gonna have to eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something. A surprise.
Ooh. My mother must have been thinking of someone different. She told me to beware the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what my mother used to say to me?
No, what?
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So, Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me something, Ducky. What would you like to play? It could be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle back to the shallows. Then maybe if there's time, go sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tuck before the crunch. You can play with your food while you fight it. It's a crazy little game. Tell me something, Ducky. Do you like oranges?
I don't know. I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Heavy breathing.
No, it's coming from outside.
Oh, that's just the children from the farmhouse playing ball. Do they ever come play with me? No. Do they ever come ring around my Rosie? No. I don't suppose they even remember they own a cat.
Well, what are people?
What are people? Bad news, that's what people are. Just consider yourself lucky, Ducky, and I'm going to spare you from ever having to encounter with
Duck!
Yes, correct, it's a duck.
Duck!
Yes, I know it's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.
Duck! Goose! Struck out by a foul ball. Oh!
You broke the window. The ball's gone inside.
Oh no, they're coming inside. Ooh, good idea. You can hide there.